is deteriorating. It's part asphalt and part gravel. Good in some places and okay at best in others. Right now we're on the good part. Watch out for falling rocks. This is SH-75, one of the most dangerous roads in Albania, and I'm on it. But check this road out. There's no guardrails. The road breaks off at different places. There's potholes, sand, little landslides, erosion, all kinds of things to deal with. I'm about 13 miles from Permet, and according to the GPS, it's going to take me 1 hour to get there, because this is what I have in front of me. Incredibly high mountain. So high, in fact, there's no trees growing up there. So let's go to Permet, get some fuel, and then pick a line through these mountains. On the way to Permet. I can't imagine what this road is like in the winter. It's rutted, divoted. It's got rocky spots, sandy spots. Hey, little sheep. So I'm riding down the road on my way to Permet, and I see this sign for hot springs. So I turn around, follow the road for about 6 miles, and I come here to the Karduit Bridge. That bridge behind me is 500 years old. A hot springs flows right beneath it, and people come here from all over the region to bathe in the medicinal waters of the hot springs. Let's go check it out. I'm in Permet. I don't see a sign for the town, but my GPS tells me I'm here. It's 3 o'clock and I'm about ready to call it a day, but I really would like to be in the mountains where it's a lot cooler. I am in Permet. Cross this lovely little bridge and see what this little shindig is all about. Look at this. What a presentation. How beautiful can you get? This place is gorgeous. A little river running through it. Check it out. Little mosque here. Gosh, I think I gotta check this place out. I think it looks pretty amazing. So I had hoped to make it to Permet, but I'm in Permet and it's 4 o'clock. And according to the GPS, it would take me another 2.5 hours of hard riding. And I've already been on the road all day, so I think I'm gonna call it quits here. Hello? Good, do you have any room? Okay, I'll come in. Well, I guess that settles it. I'm hot, hungry, and tired, so it's time to wrap this up. Hello. So check out my little room here. Commode, but I think I'm gonna get a shower first. Taking a shower, I can overlook the river. Now, how awesome is that? Coffee. In the background there is bread. In the foreground you see eggs, cheese, butter, green peppers, tomatoes, and cucumbers. And to the far right is some milk, and to the left of that is a fruit called liko. It's quite tasty. It kind of tastes like a plum of sorts. So this is the breakfast of champions this morning. I want to give you a little tour of this beautiful, picturesque Albanian village nestled in a valley between the Albanian Alps. So let's just check it out, and then I want to take you to a significant landmark just a little bit down the road. It's significant because a lot of the history is based around what happened at this place. So we're going to see that landmark in about a minute, but let's check the town out here. Give you a little tour. Like the nickel tour. Let me turn my attention to this rock spire. I want to talk to you a little bit about that, but let me switch my camera views here. Okay, so here is the story about Permet. The town is named after a legendary figure, Permet, and he is a hero because when an invading army came into Permet and was going to take over the city and conquer his army, he decided to throw himself off the city rock and kill himself rather than be imprisoned and possibly tortured to death by the conquering army. So in his memory, that town is named after him, Permet. Permet is also known as the greenest and cleanest city in Albania. Altogether, it's amazing. Let's just take a look at the city rock, the largest boulder I've seen in my life. the good news is I found the drone. The bad news is it's about 18 feet up in a tree. Not sure what kind of condition it's in, but I got to find someone who can climb a tree first. So off I go. What is your name?
Genki.
Genki. Thank you.
Yeah.
Genki's going to climb the tree for me. Right here. Right there, see? Right there. I was trying to get some drone shots along the river and was reversing, lost track of my drone and hit the tree. And it looks like he's gonna get it. Wow! He did it! Hey! Oh my gosh. Oh, my friend, you got the drone. Yay! Wow. An old broken down suspension bridge. He's pretty strong, so it's just a wood structure. It's too hot for me to cross it. I'm boiling hot.